grab your small ball. Place the small ball right behind your shoulder blades and roll back until that ball is down on the ground. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. We're going to reach back and then we're going to crunch forward. Reach back, stretch, and crunch forward. Make sure here that you're keeping your chin tucked and that you're really lifting the chest up and not staring at the ceiling. Really bring forward and look in front of you. And up. Down, up. Hold there, arms up to high fifth. Left leg, we're gonna pull the knee in, extend straight, lower down, switch legs. In, extend, and down. In, extend, and down. Make sure that you're alternating legs each time here. In, straight, down. In, straight, down. Make sure that that upper body is stable and steady. I know that's hard since you are on a round ball right here. We want to think about everything above the hips staying exactly where it is. Hold right here. Now we're going to take a straight leg lift and we're going to alternate each time. As you lift the leg, bring the arms down and then lift the arms right back up as the leg lowers. Right and down. Left and down. Right and down. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. We're going back into that stretch and crunch forward. Reach back. Lift and crunch forward. Inhale, reach back. Exhale as you crunch forward. Reach and crunch. Reach. Keep those elbows nice and wide, open through the chest. Keep a nice steady flow of breath. Now lift those arms up above the head. We're going to bend that knee in and extend. Left in, extend, lower down. Bend, extend, and down. Alternating legs each time. Right in, extend, and down. Left in, extend, and down. Really focus on extending that leg perfectly straight. In, extend, and down. In, extend, and down. In, extend, and down. Now hold it here. We're taking that leg into the straight leg lift as you lower your arms. Lift and lower. 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 Hands behind the head, elbows wide. We're going to open up beyond that ball. And then as we crunch forward, we're going to lift the left leg and then reach back and lift the right leg. So we're taking that straight leg lift with that crunch over the ball. Bring it down. Now we're going to reach back over top of that ball, extend the elbows down towards the mat, and have a stretch.